So today I decided to be mechanically inclined, so I'm going to work on my vehicle. It's super hot outside, it's like 85 right now. But I'm gonna put in a oil pressure switch and change my headlight, and then hopefully tomorrow I'll do my brakes if, I don't know, if I feel like it, we'll see. It is the holiday weekend, so we'll see if I get to that or not. So yeah, let's go try and do this. First time I'm gonna put this in, so hopefully that goes smoothly and I actually have the tools I need for it. Yeah, okay, let's go try this out. Okay, I finally found the part underneath, but I need a like 3-inch extension on my ratchet in order to reach it. So now I gotta run to the hardware store. But since my car is jacked up, I'm not going to obviously drive there, so I'm just gonna run there. It's just down the road, so it shouldn't be too bad. So yeah, that's where I'm at. Alright, so I got 3-inch extension and 6 because I don't know what size I need, so we just went. Both of us are gonna walk back over there. So yeah, let's try this out again. Take 2. successfully changed my oil pressure switch. Here's the old piece. That was not hard, but it just was, the jack I have is a piece of junk, and it's just the one that like comes with the car, so it definitely didn't have enough lift on it, which made it really difficult. But once I found the piece, hardest part was finding where it was, and I just literally unscrewed. Unplug it, unscrew it, popped a new one in. I got hit with some oil though, that was pretty hot. My arm's pretty dirty too. So yeah. So that was a success. It actually didn't take that long. Even with running to the hardware store, it was pretty quick. Yeah, so we call that a win. Hopefully when I do the brakes it'll be just as easy. Yeah, so now it's time to clean up and stuff like that.